2019 Honda Accent. You want to know where your cabin filter is, it's behind the glove box door here. If you want to access it, to change it, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to push in these stoppers that are here. Well, some of the Accents, they have a damper that's here. This one doesn't have it. All you got to do is just pull it to disconnect it, okay? Come on this side here and then pull the stopper inward this way. Might have to go a little bit back and forth with the stoppers. Okay. When you get in here, cabin filter's inside of here. All you gotta do is squeeze these guys here, and you can pull the filter right. Now, if you need a filter, I'll leave a link down in the description box for a new filter. This one definitely needs to be changed, and when you get your new one, all you gotta do is just insert it in, just like you took this one out. Okay. And you're good to go. Just make sure you notate the airflow here.